Welcome everyone to this new episode of Cold Email Teardown, where we tear down your cold email to help your business grow. The concept is pretty simple. You send us your cold email and we invite a cold email expert to tear it down and write it again. Today, I'm really happy to welcome Mathieu, Head of Email Marketing at Cactus Marketing. Mathieu, can you tell us a bit more about who you are and what you guys do at Cactus Marketing?
For sure. Yeah. Thank you, Simon, for the really nice introduction. So I'm Mathieu. I'm the head of outbound marketing at Cactus Marketing. For myself, my marketing journey extends to over a decade, where I did influencer marketing and e-commerce. And my passion for campaign funnels brought me to where I am now. I've been doing outbound marketing for just under 2 years, and I'm excited to continue my upwards journey of being an asset for marketing campaigns for our teams and for other lead listers.
Really cool. And actually, I know that you know that, but the cold email journey is a never-ending journey. So always new stuff to learn. Really exciting. Mathieu, again, happy to have you. Let's jump right into it. On today's episode, we're going to break down a cold email sent by a company that develops web and mobile apps. So let's check it out together. The first thing about this email is that the goal was to book meetings with digital agencies who are looking to outsource their web and app development needs. So let's look into it and see what's cool about it and what could be improved. Okay, now I'm going to read the full email. First thing to notice is that there is no subject line. And then the email body goes like this. Hi, first name. I've been following your work at company name for a while, and I'm impressed with your team expertise and creativity. I'm particularly impressed with your work on the Icebreaker projects. Icebreaker being a variable here. I'm reaching out to you today to offer our support as your outsourcing partner for web and app development projects. I know you may be looking to boost your profitability, and we believe our partnership can help you achieve this goal. We have a team of experienced developers who are skilled in web and mobile app technologies. We also have a proven track record of delivering high-quality solutions on time and within budget. We understand the challenges that startups and SMEs face and are committed to providing you with the support you need to succeed. I would love to schedule a call with you to discuss your goals further and how we can help you achieve them. Kindly use my calendar to select a convenient time slot. Thank you for your time and your consideration. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards, and then the signature. Plenty of stuff to say about this email, in my opinion, but Mathieu, I'm really curious to understand, what do you think about this email?
Absolutely. So I think the structure of this email has a really strong structure. There are some key pointers that can be developed and improved to help the overall delivery of the message. All right, so my first thought is that the icebreaker is really good. There's good personalization with the recent activity, which is really valuable. Although it could go one step further, why you may be impressed, because there's a lot of value in saying that you're impressed with their work, but they might be wondering why. As well, I think the overall length of the email may be a little bit too long. Our team really focuses on a 3 to 5 sentence structure. When it's so long, especially with a cold email, a lot of people don't end up reading the whole message because they don't know who it is and what it's about. Third of all, there are no clear determinants to a user's issues and why it's relevant to them. So the biggest thing here is to change the messaging to make sure that the user knows why it's relevant to them and why they should be looking to schedule a call or moving forward with the email. Mm-hmm. Fourth of all, I noticed that the email talks about the challenges and startups of SMEs, but doesn't really give any specific examples. So my question when I was reading this was, what challenges are startups and SMEs facing? And finally, I don't think this email conveys immediate action. Even though it's very valuable to have a meeting, it doesn't convey immediate action for a user or a prospect to hop right in and get a call or learn more about your offer.
I completely agree with you, Mathieu. Actually, I think just like you said, the email is way too long, especially because this is called outbound. You're reaching out to people who've probably never heard about you before. You need to be sharp and to the point. Also, you mentioned the CTA. it needs to be crystal clear what is the next step that you propose. And here it clearly lacks details to be efficient. So that was really interesting, but now I'm really curious to see how you would rewrite this cold email, Mathieu.
Absolutely. So I'm happy to share my new version of the email. So it goes as follows. So hi, first name as a variable, company name as a variable, work on the latest icebreaker, another variable, project is excellent. I was intrigued to read about it as an outsider with an interest in this topic. Like many other startups in the industry as a variable as well, space, keeping web and app infrastructure optimized and relevant is an issue that causes opportunity losses. Do you require efficient development support to maximize the profitability of company name? My team at our company are expert developers in these tech fields, delivering high quality strategy, design, and execution at a fraction of the cost of convention in-house teams. In fact, we've managed to save our clients an average of a specific number of dollars every year. If this resonates, let's book a non-committal 15-minute call next Wednesday. I'd love to discuss a potential partnership. All the best, and signature variable.
Okay, great. I think it's way better. Like, why do you think this version would work better than the initial one?
Yeah, so just a few points why I think this would work better, just as a conversion and interest. First of all, there's a clear question which leads pondering whether they need help or not, kind of seeing if it's relevant to them right away. There's a clear and relevant challenge for the target audience to relate to and to realize that it's a problem that they might be having and they might need a solution. I also noticed that in the original message that there is a quote unquote clear track record. So I wanted to take this one step further and create social proofing for the company that's outbound and create a number that prospects can read and realize how much money they could be saving on average every year. And finally, this email has a clear call to action with a timeline for a booking and gives them action to make the next step.
I love the insight, Mathieu, especially the one about the social proof. Whenever you talk about track record or a previous work that you've done with the clients, you always need to make sure that not only you're going to back them up with the proper data, and ideally, if you want to use a client of yours, try to use a client that is closely related to your prospects. Could be the same industry, could be something that they have in common, but this will highlight your social proof in your email and you'll get more replies. Mathieu, thanks a lot for joining today.
Thank you so much.
And everyone, if you want your own cold email to be analyzed by one of our experts, just fill out the form in the description below. And of course, if you want to chat with Mathieu or someone from the team at Cactus Marketing, you can find all of the information in the description below. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.